Hi, Dan Clark back in beautiful Bay Indies today. We're at 437 Bimini, towards the back of the park. A lot of you folks may or may not know this. Bay Indies has, the front of the park starts with A's and it goes all the way to the back to the Z's on the streets. This is the second ABCD streets, and there's only 4 or 5 streets towards the back of the park. The park started in 72, finished in 88, so we're back where most of the homes are in the 80s. This is a 2-2 with a front lanai, carport, shed, nicely landscaped out front, mostly furnished. The folks actually have 2 homes in here, so they're selling one. They liked it so well they bought 2, so they need to sell one. So this could be your Florida dream home right here. Starting here in the dining room, again, mostly what you see will be staying here, just a few things that will be leaving, very few things actually. So we're starting here in the living room. I want to point out too, these folks did a lot of extra touches. Look at the cornices and the moldings around the windows, around the doors. They've even got moldings on the bottom. They just did a lot of fine touches here in the home. Two-tone this up here. Again, just put a little bit of time and effort into it. Nice home. Going to come through the kitchen area. We've got an angled galley kitchen. Appliances are not new, but they're not ancient either. They've been updated a few years back. They've two-toned the cabinets here. The sink's been updated here as well. We've got wood floors here that you can see. We got two-tone lighter blue and a darker blue. Again, moldings everywhere, moldings around every door that they've done, inside and outside. This goes out to your carport and your shed area. Again, nice kitchen. Hey, my mother's favorite words, let's eat out. That's her favorite 3 words. So, but here we go. Keep coming down through. Into the hall, we got a guest bedroom that has a futon in it, which a lot of people, their guest bedrooms, either an office or a futon combination. Look at the double closets. They took one of the closet doors off, put the dresser inside, so that the dresser is inside. Another closet over here. We have a fan. I got to show you this closet. I was laughing. It's almost a 3rd bedroom. It's so big. Lots of storage. Very large closet. I guess you could call it a 3rd bedroom because it has a closet, because it's in a closet. But large storage area there with the double, so good storage. Again, painted up, ceilings painted, fans. Good sized guest bedroom. I'm going to come in here to the guest bath. White tub with a combo tub and shower. Got grays two-toned in here as well. Even got the molding around the windows in here. They did a lot of molding. Nice. Nicely done. Making our way into a very large master. Again, with a two-tone light and blue, dark blue on the bottom. Again, folks, look at the moldings. Got those cornices around everything. Even here in the double closets that we have over here. Moldings here as well. Carpeting is older but in good shape. What you see here will stay. Large dressing area in here into your your master bathroom. Double closets here as well. Another huge closet here. This could be the 4th bedroom. They took the door off, but they left it there, so if somebody wants to put it back in. Again, moldings, cornices, moldings, cornices. Step-in shower here in the master. Moldings around that window and everything as well. I don't think there's a window or door that doesn't have a beautiful molding in this house. Again, this home on the quiet end of the park, priced in the 20s, value price, folks. The electrical panel's been updated as well. AC is not very old. We're going to make our way back here into a living room, a good-sized living room. They did some different walls here a little bit too, did some stuff here, painted it up, carpeting throughout. Nice front lanai out here as well. It's got the little small AC unit out here. Windows that crank open. It's got the windows that crank open so that you can let the sea breezes in. Again, folks, we're only 2 miles to those beautiful beaches, so nice little front lanai. It's got the corner setting area out there as well with the bench. Hey, come go sailing with us down here, My Florida Dreams at 437 Bimini. This is a nice house, folks. value price, give me a call. Dan Clark, 207-807-7537. Call me today.